do I try new things? First up.
1 millet.
Oh, this is tasty. Wait, this is the massical topper. If you know, you know. But this is not new.
You're too picky, so. For a starter, I chose something you know.
Oh, okay, next thing. Next thing.
2 dot dill.
Oh, this is fantastic. Nom, nom, nom. I might rate this 10 tenths. I'm ready for the next snack.
4 basil.
What do you mean I'm picky? I love everything. Jumy. Jimmy. No, I dropped it.
Mom, then let's take the last one. 4 apple.
What is this? It's so disgusting. Okay, let's speed it up. Okay, bye.